Well, good morning YouTube. Wednesday morning, God knows it's something to bloody me. We're on our way to the Border WingDing, so I'm just getting the van out and getting the trailer hooked up and what have you, and then we'll be away. So we see you a bit further down the road. Hopefully it's going to be a fantastic WingDing. Looking forward to it. First one of the year for me, so we're really looking forward to it. And testing out this new camera, this new Hero 11 in the van, of course. I mean, I'm really pissed off with GoPro, because I've got two Hero 9s and now this Hero 11, but the hard work with the audio and that, and freezing up in the media mods and what have you. So never mind, we'll crack on. We'll catch you in a bit. Bye for now. Right, that's us just about ready to leave. Everything's hooked up, everything's checked and sorted, so we're on our way. Oh, it's nice and warm. I've got 3 bars on fuel, so I will need to get fuel somewhere along the line. But I'm just going to head down the road and stop at the first contact and get fuel out, to be honest with you. How we up your thought, buddy? Good boy. Oh, I'm hooked in. There we go, son. Right, just so you know, just as you're pulling out, there's loads of little vehicles. Right, that's us off. Bishop Auckland, here we come! On the Gold Wing WingDing 2023. Border Wings. Yeehaw! Let's go! First time this van's been out this year, believe it or not, it is. First time it's been out this year. I don't know. Never mind. It'll be used a few times now. This is the start. This is the start. If the WingDings and rallies, so we'll be out and about a few times more. We've got the Gold Wing on tour today, obviously because we're going to the blinking Border Wings WingDing. Looking forward to seeing friends I've never seen for a while. Crack on, let's go. See you later, folks. Well, we're back again. We're on the 68, heading down towards Corbridge, I suppose. Beautiful day, but I thought I'd bring this camera back online because I need to check out how the camera's performing and the microphone. Hopefully it's going to be okay. It's not in the media mode, but it has the mic adapter on, and it's in a little Yolandi case on the dash there. So I think the microphone wire is probably in shot there. I cannot really see on the screen in front, but it's possibly in shot. But I'll soon find out when I have a look at it later. If it is, I'll have to reroute the cable somewhere else. I'll put a little one of them little cable sticker ties on the windscreen so I can just hold the cable back off the camera. We'll see. Oh, there we go, up and down. This is the roller coaster road, this bit. The 68 to this end, it's up and down just like a roller coaster. Yep, still on my way down to Bishop Auckland, Border Wings WingDing of 2023. It's a beautiful day, it feels good to be back out in the van, I'm not sure about Bodie, but he knows the van. I mean, we've had it a year and he's been all over Scotland and that, and so he knows the van, he knows the score. And he's a great traveller, thank God. Like he should be, like, 'cause he's been in vehicles since he was 8 weeks old, so he's well seasoned. Okay folks, we'll see you in a bit. Well, we've just filled up with diesel. I was down to 1 bar, like I was starting to panic a bit actually, like, but we've got to the garage alright, but it took £100 in mine. I mean, I think it was 142 the diesel, but it must have been pretty well empty, like it took £99.66. So it must have been pretty much empty, like. I'm going to fur trees, yeah, like I could have come down to this station, but the one just outside of Towlow was the first one I came to, so I wasn't going to take any chances. So I filled up there, like. They'll be able to see in price, maybe it's cheaper, like it was cheaper the last time I passed Tractor 2 fur trees in that Gulf station there at Towlow. But we're turning off to 68 now, so not far to go. I don't know, I think I might be a bit early, like I said 12 o'clock-ish, right? So that's us off the 68. Right folks, that's us here on site. We're going to do some work to help out now, so hopefully I'll get a few clips of the shenanigans going on. But until then, I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Come on, I want more, come on.
Back to back.
How are get the music playing, I can't hear now. This is video of this.
Oh my God, but even worse.
Glad we weren't saying nothing then.
Grind, oh.
I look worse than anything left, didn't it?
Yeah.
Right, we'll go and sit the old boys up.
I know, I better go and see my jeans will fit me.
Oh, we've got it, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
Chilly bought me and Sylvia one. Oh, nice. Yeah. I need to sew it though.
Super glue.
It is super glued.
Super glued.
But it needs sewing, I think.
Well, that's it. It's Monday morning. I've got no idea what time it is, but that's the WingDing over, and it's been an absolutely fantastic weekend. Great weather, great fun, great ride out. Everything's been absolutely spot on. So we're just about to head home. So there'll be little bits of the video showing the trip up home, just to finish the video off. But well, we're on the 68 going home. We just stopped off at Fir Trees here and blinking off the fuel pumps I've blinking got, sorry, not in use on, plus the LPG pump, so I couldn't top up the gas. I was wanting to top up the gas, but I couldn't, so hopefully by the time I come back down here on Friday to go to Roar on the Moors, they'll have LPG. I might bring up and check just in case, and if not I might find another place to go and fill the gas up. I think it's about half full of gas, but I'd like to keep it topped up if I can. So, but we're on the 68, we're on our way home. Beautiful day. Great weekend, but I'm really looking forward to soaking the tub. Oh, well, that's it. We're just about home now. We're on the last little stretch, just dropping down out of the forest. Really great, absolutely great weekend, as I said before. There wasn't a lot of videoing around the campsite. I might have a few photographs to put on, but the individual rideouts will be videoed, but they'll be in separate videos. So look out for them. So if you've subscribed, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost you anything, but it all helps me to grow the channel. And it's, as I say, a beautiful day, like, so if you've watched the video all the way through, I thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bye for now.